I may be wearing my Universal Studios shirt, but we are not at Universal. In fact, today I am at Six Flags to do a quick little construction update of West Coast Customs and to see if they have anything up for Fright Fest. So, come along. It's a nice day for a splash, I believe. Yeah, no thank you. Seems like Daffy Duck and Bugs Bunny are out to say hello for a meet and greet. It's pretty cool. Ah, it's so nice to always come to this water fountain. Oh man, it feels so nice. So right when you enter, you already have a little casket and everything waiting for you. I guess there's the Six Flags 30-hour Coffin Challenge Fright Fest. Can you survive 30 hours in a coffin? Wow. So here are the dates. Right there. Starts pretty early and ends pretty late. Awesome. Starting to see a lot more advertisement out here the farther I go into the park. Smart on their part. Now, if you've never been to the event before, this right behind me is usually where the scare actors come out to start the night. So everyone comes out here to, you know, see the exit, the beginning of the event. And then they go through all of the DC area around me, see? And then they go from there around the park and they scare everyone, so yeah. So when you come here, make sure to come right before the event starts. By these doors, you will see scare actors running out. It's pretty cool. Again, rest in peace to Green Lantern. We're starting to see people at the top working on it. Yeah, it's the end for Green Lantern. Don't know if he'll be getting any other ride. I'm starting to hear more and more that the reason of taking it out is people were complaining the same thing about me, hurting their wrist, and too much speed going back and forth. So, you know, it was a fun ride, but yeah. Goodbye, Green Lantern. You will be missed by many. So interesting. Seems like Anity is having some problems right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's someone working up there. Yeah, I mean, already this ride was seemed crazy, especially with rides like this, usually breaking off and people flying off of it. So, yeah, interesting. Don't know what it's for, why they're going to work on it. So the next thing I want to talk about is West Coast Racers. Now it seems like West Coast Racers still has a lot to go, but from here there's not that great of a view. So we're gonna go by Tatsu real quick and check it out from up there. So here is a better view of what's happening for West Coast Customs right now. Very, very, very interesting. I was told by one of the workers here that they seem to be putting 2 new pieces on today. So, very interesting. It seems like they're moving very quick. We already got some of the loops over there. Sorry if it's a bit windy today. some trucks coming out to put pieces on. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Really looking forward to West Coast Racers. A better view of the construction from up here. A little higher. Pretty cool. So last year there was a maze over here. Had the sewer theme. And I'm pretty sure it did not look like this. This could be their new facade for this maze. If so, seems like it's supposed to be a radioactive waste area, which is pretty cool. This door was not like this last year. Interesting. I think we have our first maze facade. I don't know for sure. Because yeah, you would walk through here and then go in through the entire building. Let me see if I can make you guys. Yeah, so you would walk through here and go through this entire building. Yeah, wow. So I think this is the newer facade that we'll be seeing. Pretty cool. So another maze was placed in this area to, it was like a haunted house kind of thing. But right now, all that there is they just blocked off this area. Don't see any facade built yet. Just a little box on the side. But yeah, so expect to have maybe the same maze in this area. Yeah. Cool. So we see a lot more blue wall set up. I don't know if this is set up for either West Coast Racers so no one can pass by here, or if it's set up because this last year was a scare zone. So I don't know if they're putting stuff here. There's a little hole that I could look through, but I also don't think they want that to happen. So but yeah, seems like this scare zone has been built together. It seems to be the exact same scare zone from last year. Oh, but I really enjoy the scare zone. So it seems like they put the webs up already, which is pretty cool, not gonna lie. You know, I came here today thinking there would be absolutely nothing and this would be a waste of time. But now they're getting to work. I do not remember seeing these from last year. These are creepy looking. Oh jeez. So it seems the scare zone is going to be called Nightmares. I believe it was called Nightmares also last year. So if I do recall, this is usually an entrance to multiple mazes. Right now it's off limits, but during Fright Fest, this is an entrance to, I believe, to like either 3 or 4 mazes, if I remember. And last year, the 3 that were back here were really, really cool. So it's very interesting because I believe they open up this wall right here and then people just can walk in. I always like to check quickly if there's any new capes. It seems to be the same. Ooh, I haven't seen this one before. Alright, well, it's not working with me. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Ooh, Batman. Seems to be some new 2019 t-shirts. 2 for $25. Here's a closer look at them. Pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, pretty cool. To buy just one, it's $18. Could also get it in blue if you want. Very sleek, very nicely done. And also a 2019 photo frame. I find that pretty cool. We also got some very, I guess, limited vinyl figures of the Joker here. Also of Batman. Don't know if you can just buy it here at Six Flags or you just had multiple to give out. Also, you got these little cute little figures. See if I can open it up. That's cute. Cute little Poison Ivy. Another very clean Joker shirt. Look at that. Wow. All the shirts seem to be $18. I want to go with the older Joker look. Never seen this shirt before. Pretty cool though. Got the Joker and laughing with the Batman in the corner. Nightlife. That's pretty cool. And that is it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you want to see more construction updates and more maze updates. Just comment and we will read them and we'll see, okay, shoot, we'll do more. So this has been Mr. E, and catch you on the flippity flip.